Hey everyone, Happy New Year. I'm back with my first video of the year to share something fascinating that actually came from late last year. OpenAI introduced 1-800 ChatGPT, and it's a service that lets anyone interact with ChatGPT by simply making a phone call. When I saw this, I was like, who thought of this? This is incredible. But this makes AI accessible to everyone, regardless of technical expertise. I can see how grandparents who may not be so tech savvy can have access to LLMs via interfaces just like this. No computer needed, no smartphone app needed, just a phone call that connects you to the world of AI. And I think it's a real testament to how AI is becoming more and more accessible. So let's dive into how this works. It's very simple. Like I said, it's just making a phone call, but I'm going to show you a video of me doing this on my phone. So I have my phone now, and I've dialed in 1-800 ChatGPT. You can see that the real number is 1-800-242-8478, but the 242-8478 corresponds to ChatGPT on your dial pad. And we're just going to go and click the button to dial. I'm going to put it on speaker.
And Hello again. It's ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Our conversation may be reviewed for safety. How can I help you?
Hey ChatGPT, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing well. So I'm making a LinkedIn video and I'm sharing with the audience this new 1-800 ChatGPT service. Can you tell them a little bit about it?
Absolutely. The 1-800 ChatGPT service allows you to get instant help over the phone from an AI assistant, like me. Whether you need information, advice, or just a friendly chat, I'm here to assist. It's like having a helpful friend just a call away.
That's fantastic. All right, so let's do one thing. We're at the start of the new year, and I think everyone's setting goals, everyone's looking forward to achieving great things. Can you give people some advice on how to actually stay consistent in achieving these goals?
Absolutely. To stay consistent with your goals, start by setting clear and realistic objectives. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Then create a routine that incorporates these steps and stick to it. Remember, consistency is key. So celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated.
Exactly. Thank you so much for that awesome advice. I'll let you go now. I just wanted to show you to my audience, and yeah, I'll keep talking to you when I have some questions to ask.
Sounds great. I'm looking forward to our next chat. Take care and Happy New Year.
All right. Bye. Happy New Year. Awesome. ChatGPT actually ended the call. So, yeah, that's it. I think this is a fantastic capability. I think folks should try it out, see how you can play with it. I think it's one way you can just be able to interact with an LLM, ask questions while you're on the go. Let's say you're on a trip, you can pull it out and ask questions about maybe the landmark you're visiting or tourist attractions. Your folks in your family who are not so tech savvy can use this to get technical support with things they're working on or dealing with without having to have an application or without having to go online. You can actively interact with AI models from your phone. All right, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. If there are any videos that you folks would like me to make or to put out there, please do reach out. All right, stay tuned. Peace.